So how to write an abstract. There are certain rules in terms of writing an abstract, whether it's for a conference or for a publication. The first and probably the most obvious one is to read the guidelines. This is important because different conferences, different journals have a different word count, and that can vary anything from 250 words right up to 400 words. So this will significantly influence what you write and how you write. Secondly, different organisations require different headings. Some may use background introduction and go straight into results. Others may actually do it the other way around. So there's one way of increasing your chances of not being accepted, and that is not to follow the guidelines. So that is your first task. Secondly, when you've got very limited space, you must prioritise your words. You do not need to go for a long time into the background of what you're writing about. Try to get to the aim and your methods as soon as you can. And from there, you go into the results and then finally a conclusion. The results should be the key messages that you want people to remember from this very, very short piece of work. It also serves the function that when people are searching for literature, whether it's to conduct a systematic review or as background to further research, you want them to find your paper and you want them to find those key messages. Finally, in the conclusion, it is not a summary and it is not a reiteration of the results again. It should simply conclude. What can you conclude from this piece of work? Make sure you format it, lay out, as I said, in order of the guidelines of the particular conference or journal you want, and good luck with your submission.